Hi guys, welcome to the Advent and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem from Leetcode. It is the fourth problem, median of two sorted arrays. Given two sorted arrays nums1 and nums2 of size m and n respectively, return the median of two sorted arrays. The overall time complexity should be of log m plus n. Let me explain this problem guys. Initially we will be given two integer arrays which was sorted, and what we have to do is we just want to merge the two sorted arrays and then we have to find the median of the two sorted arrays. What is the median of the two sorted arrays? Median is nothing but the length of the merged array. If the length of the merged array is odd number, we just want to return the middle value, and if the length of the merged array is in even numbers, we just want to sum the two middle elements and then we have to divide that sum by 2. This is known as median, and the main thing we just want to note in this problem was the overall runtime complexity should be O of log m plus n. So we just want to use two-pointer approach so that we can able to solve this problem efficiently. Let me explain this problem guys. Let us consider this as nums1 array and this as nums2 array. I'm just creating a new array with size m plus n, which means nums1 length plus nums2 length. I'm just creating a new array. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use two-pointer approach here like this, and I'm just creating an integer value called p1 and integer value called p2, and I'll be comparing these two values, and then the greater values I will be taking the greater values and storing that the value on the end of the new array, and then I will decrement this and it will be moving here, and then it will be checking, and the greater values will be going here or equal to values will be going here like this. This is the approach we are going to follow, and previously we will find that the median is nothing but the center value. So we already know the two values, we just needed these two values, so I'm just adding the array values from the last till the second middle index. This is the procedure we are going to do in this problem guys, and then once we find the two middle elements, we just want to return that by first middle element plus second middle element by 2. So this is what the thing we are going to do, and we just want to return the values in double. That's the main thing. Now let's solve the problem guys. Actually I'm creating p1 equals to and p2, and then total. And then I'm creating a new array. And then I'm creating an index. And then I'm creating first the second middle. Second middle is nothing but this part. This is the second middle. So this is the thing we are going to do. Total value divided by 2. And the first middle is equal to, if the total u mod is by 2 not equal to 0, it will be -1, else second middle minus 1, I think so. Yeah. And then I'm going to traverse P1 greater than or equal to 0 or P2 greater than 0. And here I'm going to check multiple cases. First, let's check the corner case. P1 less than 0, and then SF P2 less than 0, and SF nums 1. Yeah, P1 greater than nums 2. The else part, what we have to do is here new array index equal to nums 2 and 2, and then I just going to decrement this value, and then let me decrement here 2. Array nums 1 P1, and I'm going to decrement here, and then I'm going to decrement here too. And then what I'm going to do here is new array I decrementing equals to the greatest part is nums 1. And then here is array I minus nums 2 P2. Yeah. Now we just want to start the loop when I equal to second middle minus 2. We have to break this loop, and then now we are going to return the answers if counted everything. First mix middle first equal to minus 1. Here says part, yes part, we are going to return directly typecasting double here, and then I just going to return the array second here, and then I'm going to create a double that calls to array. Divided by 2. And I'm going to return values. Let's run this problem by settings. Yeah. Yes guys, let's try it. Yeah guys, and it's successful, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment us guys. Thank you guys, bye bye.